Very good evening. Today I'm so much happy and in a gleeful mood. Very good afternoon to you all. Today is my 8th video presentation for this particular channel, and today my subject orientation on specialized areas for you all. I can see a very overwhelming crowd, really a gathering which I did not expect, but being positive, I just thought, yes, more people will be coming here. And today the specialized areas I'm going to talk in front of you all will be I can attitude. And what is all about that? Again, to repeat or just to say, inform you all, because many are newcomers. I can see many with new faces. Obviously all age group, because this has got no age bar. Anyone and everyone is welcome and need this. It's not a matter of welcome, it's a matter of need. What is I can attitude? From the morning till the night, dawn to dusk, we start our day with no. How will I go? I cannot go. I cannot do this. I cannot do that. So can is very less. So I am here today for I can attitude building exercises, mental exercises. This will be one of the elements of success. Our venue again with MFI and Elements of Success, we both have joined hands together, and it's in Siddharth Nagar, Goregaon West to start with in Mumbai. We have a plan because it is first time in India, very much first time in India, to go broader and broader and the expansive of this specialized course. What is I can attitude? Without negation, only with positivity, only with affirmation that I can do this. I have to do this, I must do this. Which we just don't think about it. We only start our day, dawn to dusk, I'm saying you, morning to night, always, most of the time. We cannot. How will we do? There is a question, which means a negation in our mind. So here I will be giving you all mental exercises for I can attitude building. Everything is possible for everyone. Today's weakness can be tomorrow's strength. Today's no opportunities, lacking opportunities will be tomorrow's possibilities. Today's no will be tomorrow's yes. And by the word tomorrow, I mean the next moment. By tomorrow, I don't mean another day, so 24 hours have gone. So it's I can attitude building exercise. It comes from the mind. It is in the first time in India we are doing this. I myself trained, researched and inculcated with a specialized training course from Dale Carnegie Institute of Mind Training Confidence Building based in Washington, D.C. My professors are still in this world one of the bestseller writers, the dean, the healing experts, the self-empowered advocates, and they had taught me. So I just want to share with all of you who are willing to do this our course. We are in a plan to move to all the cities, online, offline, situationally who can attend, who are not with internet, who want one-to-one courses and classes and lectures from me. So this is all about I can attitude, which starts from the mind. You can. That attitude building, it starts from your environment, from your situation, from your given things, what you do, what you think, the thinking patterns. Everything is very important in life. What do you think today? That attitude will give a result, not tomorrow, even